Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to play the 2-4-7 progression, and I'm going to show you the melodic way in which you can play this progression. So let's say you're in the key of C sharp. You would normally play this progression as this, right? But if you want to transform this into the melodic way of playing it, you could play it like this. Right? So tell me which one you prefer. But let's break that down. So we're in the key of C sharp as mentioned. The right hand consists of the melody that we're playing. The left hand consists of the arpeggios. So the melody that's being played in this case is and this may change as you go through because you don't have to be limited to that. You could also do right, and the right hand is playing left hand, sorry. Alright, so let's put it together. So when you hit this note, that's when the left hand comes in, right? So on the 4, when you hit the C sharp, that's when the 4 comes in. And this twirl is the second finger, third, the third slides down, and the second and thumb. That's the easiest way to me to play that. And this is like a passing chord. I oftentimes like to do this in between the different chords. So I like to add these little dissonant notes. So you get the timing. Alright, so let's go to the 7. So let's go again from top. Alright, so I did the timing like this. So guys, you'd have to adjust it based on the timing of everything that you're playing. So in this case, I did. Right? So there are so many different things you can do. So let's modify this melody a bit. So we changed that part of it. The right hand plays. That's the 5, sorry. Alright, so that's another way you can do that. Let's try some more stuff. So we did that drop 2s as some passing chords. And this is taking us to the 4. So before we hit the 4 in between the 2 and that space there in between the 2 and 4, we could play. And you notice you can hear like a consistent melody in both the right hand and the left hand. You hear, and the left hand you're hearing, and that is intentional. So this is key with the melodic piano style. It has to make sense musically. So it consists of a lot of melodies and harmonies. So this is the melody. This is the harmony. And this is the mindset I normally have when I'm trying to create chords. So let's go again. So let's break that down. The right hand has the left hand has. This is basically the C sharp major chord inversion, but we played it as a drop 2. So we take this F from here and put it at the bottom, and you have that slide. So this is the second chord in that movement. Third one. The third one comes a bit quick. And last one. So this is basically A flat. You remove the C from here and put it at the bottom. And you can also add some dissonance to it, which I like to do, and you get that sound. Then we go to the 4. This is the same 4, I just played it without the root. Right? So we have and this is 2 more chords that you can play to take it to the 7. So in between the 4 and the 7, you could play so this right hand has this, left hand has that. Then we go to this. Then this. And you hear the melodies and harmonies going, right? So the melody is playing this. The harmony is playing this. And this harmony is playing. So it's 3 different parts. You could also add back the dissonance if you want. This can be the 7 or the 5. So oftentimes the same chord that you can play for the 7 can work for the 5 as well. So we have that. So we can also do that. So this, I just broke up this chord, the 1 and the 5 to the 4. So I just broke it up. So the 1, instead of playing the block chords, I just did. So this comes in first. For the 1, drop 2. And now we're going to the 5 drop 2, the same procedure. And we're continuing the melody. Because you can hear it. Where would this note go? That seems as if you jump straight to this, it seems as if this note is unresolved. It hasn't gone somewhere that it needs to go. So I like to continue the process and create that harmony. So you can also do that on the 4 as well. guys, if you want me to go a bit more in detail as to how I come up with these melodies and what's the pattern for the right hand, you can check out my melody piano course where I break that down in a bit more detail. So the link is in the description. Because there's so much you can actually do with the right hand. When you're doing this, it already sounds full. You can do so much with your right hand. So guys, let me know what you think about this in the progression, in the comments, sorry. So do you like the regular? This has a place, but also you can do so there, that sounds as if something is missing. When I did this, this sounds as if I want you guys to hear those connections, those harmonies. So I like to continue those harmonies. So every note I play actually is intentional. It's not a mistake. I would necessarily do that. I would do to continue the melody. And guys, given that we're in C sharp, you can literally play any note in the key of C sharp. If you don't know, just to get the beginning stages of understanding melodies. So you can just experiment with any notes in the C sharp scale or whatever scale you're in until you're able to form your own melodies. So these are just random, but it sounds good. So guys, let me know in the comments as to what you think, and until next time, keep on learning.